It can sink.
Our glow-in-the-dark slimy stuff. It gets hard and then it gets soft.
And you'll need to. And check out our other experiments. If we get any. Oh my gosh, it's like so hard on my fingers. We just invented this
It looks really, really hard when you touch it.
Invented this new type of slimy water. It's so hard, it won't even fall out of the bowl.
But when you pick it up and play with it a little bit,
It'll slime
it
up.
becomes slimy.
Cool, huh?
And if you just hold it in your hand a minute, it'll start.
Let me go wash my hands.
Ew, look.
Slimy and dicey. And watch. It'll stick to your hand and fall down.
Are you having fun?
Yep. Wait until Mommy sees this.
She's probably going to kill us. Great experiment. It's been fun. Just a few household ingredients.